guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have December's manifestation box and December's Mother Earth wrap club to show you. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So December 2023 manifestation box and Mother Earth wrap club just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys have been following me, you know I'm loving this box. I love everything that it represents, all of the crystal jewelry, everything that's included in each one. I love them both for their own reason. So let's go ahead and dive into the manifestation box first, and then I will show you what's inside of the Mother Earth wrap club. So with this one, you get 2 meditation cards, one for you to gift, one for you to keep. You get a bracelet, a necklace, a healing crystal. You have what we're working with for the month and your own astrology. So with this one, when you go to sign up, you tell them what zodiac sign you are. So you will have your own astrology sent to you every month. And then you tell them what size wrist you are and the neck size for your necklace. So it's basically custom made just for you. And I love that. So this is the box that it comes in, and it always says, ready to manifest your dreams? Yes, manifest the life you want to live. Always. I love these boxes. They are made so well. So if you wanted to save them, you can store things in them, that kind of thing. We have it. I love the colors on it as well. So when we open it up, that is what you see on top. There's always a personalized letter right on top. There's always a really cute sticker that holds the tissue paper together. And this month we have this little cute, ooh, it has a little card and it has my name on it. Oh, how cute. So that is for this month. Let's cut the tape. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then here's a sneak peek to what's inside of the box. All right, so let me go ahead and grab all the paperwork out and we'll start there. Oh, there's a card in here. Wishing you and your loved ones a magical holiday season. Much love from the founder of Gogh Jewelry Design. Oh, so we have a little Christmas card. That is a beautiful picture with those like amethyst little wings behind her. I'm sure she's probably at one of like the gem conventions or something, but that's a really gorgeous picture of her. That is so cute. So we have that. Now we have the 2 meditation cards. Again, one for you to gift and one for you to keep, or you can keep them both, whichever you would like. This is this month's. The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. Pablo Picasso? So you have those 2. And then you're gonna have what we're working with for the month. So this month, ooh, it's a double page. You got a lot to read. This one says volunteering, the joy of giving back to the community. So again, you can sit down and read all of that. That's what we will be working with for this month. Then the next one is going to be the astrology for me. I'm a Scorpio. So this is my astrology for December. I love reading this, especially we get this in the beginning of the month. So you kind of know what's going to happen for the month. So I love that. Here is a card that goes over some of their beautiful jewelry. I absolutely love everything. And just so you know, you can purchase individual items on their website at any time. And my code, SheCrafty, will save you 20% off, not just the subscription boxes, but their individual items as well. You can get their bracelets, their wraps, there's anklets, there's keychains. There's so much you can get. There's even bundles where you can buy like 3 or more in a set to save money. So you can definitely check out their online shop at any time. Great gift ideas for yourself or for others. So there's that. Now let's go ahead and go with the necklace for this month. It always comes down in their nice boxes and it has the manifestation logo on it. You can always keep and store your jewelry in these as well. And then they always give you a card. I absolutely love getting these cards. And I tell you guys, I love to save these because if you ever have a question and you want to know what crystal is that again, they have a really nice picture. So you have an image, you can pretty much match it up and then you can read what it is about. So let me show you this pearl necklace and then I will read what pearl represents. So this time we don't have it like on a gold or a silver or even a rose gold chain. It's more like on a cord, like a fabric type corded chain. So because it's not like a metal material at all. So I don't know what you call that. And then here is the pearl right there. That is gorgeous. And that's a nice large pearl as well. That is so pretty. So for pearl, let's read about it. Pearl is the stone of truth, faith, and love, enhances personal integrity, and helps provide focus and deep meaning to the object of your attention. Bringing you wisdom and spiritual guidance, pearls help one connect with the goddess, the ultimate feminine energy. See? Oh, so pretty. Let's go ahead and get this one on. I don't know if we've received anything or if I've received anything with this type of a, like a material for the chain. I think that's super neat. Definitely different. Hold on, my finger slipped. Okay. So let me take this one off. You would think by now I'd be prepared and already have this removed. Nope. Nope. Okay. So there we have this little pearl. Isn't that just so pretty though? It makes its own statement and it's just like, just simple, you know, it's just so pretty. So there's the pearl necklace. Now down inside of here is going to be the bracelet for the month and the healing crystal. And they always come in these really cute bags. Sometimes it could be a darker blue. We mainly get this lighter blue, but I love keeping these too because you can store your crystals in here. You can, you know, you can use these, repurpose these as well. So, ooh, this is what rolled out. It is copper. So this is the healing crystal for this month. Copper is potent in healing powers and a glorious conductor of energy. With a wide array of vibrational frequencies, copper is believed to provide harmonic connections between the physical and spiritual realms. Copper can help to clear out negative energy and can rebalance the chakras, so you are well placed to receive all the goodness the spirit world has to offer. And it has a flat spot on the top and the bottom, so it will sit like that, but you do have a piece of copper. That is cool. I don't think we've ever received anything like that before. And then the bracelet for this month is a completely different crystal from both of those. And you have the red tiger's eye. So here is the bracelet. That is really pretty. I was actually hoping, since this was December, we were going to get like a dark green crystal or like a dark burgundy-ish red. And that's pretty much what this is, but it almost looks like a brown. But it's a red tiger's eye, but the color to me almost looks more like brownish with like a hint of maybe like reddish in there. But it mainly looks like browns to me. So the red tiger's eye is gleaming like a dragon's eye. The red tiger's eye has long been a stone of protection and healing. It is a powerful gemstone for those seeking self-confidence, life purpose, and self-worth. Think of the qualities of a tiger: patient, focused, determined, alert, with perfect timing and slow, deliberate action. This is Tiger's Eye's gift to you. This is theirs that I got, I don't know, this one came recently, but I always grab something to match what I'm wearing for the day. And that is what it looks like on. I love that. So definitely different. You have a pearl for the necklace, tiger's eye for the bracelet, and you have copper for the healing crystal. So that is everything for the manifestation box. Again, you have your astrology, your cards, and all of the jewelry with the stone. And you have these that you can go and reference anytime to know what they are. All right, you guys, so that is everything for the manifestation box for December. Now let's go ahead and look and see into the December Mother Earth Wrap Club. This one I absolutely love. I love the wrap bracelet. It's just so small and dainty. Most of the time they're really sparkly, but they're just really small and dainty, and you wrap it around a few times. I just love the way that they look. With this one, however, you do not get your astrology, what you're working with. You do not get any of that stuff. All you get is the wrap bracelet, and then there's like a small little gift item in there for you. Something, a little mystery, a little surprise that is in there, and I love that they do that. So let's go ahead and dive in. It comes down in this envelope with their logo right there for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. So for the mystery gift item for this month, that is this right here. I don't think we've ever had a food item, but I think that's really neat that this month being December, you do. It could be anything and everything from like a little roller ball to a crystal to anything. We've had so many different items that could be in there, and this is what we got this month. It's Godiva chocolate domes, double chocolate, 3 pieces, Belgium. That sounds amazing. Yes, please. And then down in here is going to be the wrap bracelet. So let's see what we have. Ooh, okay, so this is exactly the same as the bracelet. It's tiger's eye. So here's the card. So it's going to be exactly the same as what I read for the bracelet for the tiger's eye. And here is the actual wrap. See, they're just like so small. They're just so dainty and they're shiny and just look super, super pretty. And then you have one dangle right there as well. So let me go ahead and let me switch this one and put this one on here. They're like, they fit perfect now. I love it. So this is what it looks like with the wrap bracelet. Look at how gorgeous that is. That is really, really pretty. And it looks exactly the same as like the color combinations, like the brownish, reddish color. Those are just so pretty. And I don't think we have anything like that so far. And that's what I love, is that you're always getting something different, different colors, different crystals, different meanings. And I love that. So they also give you one of their cards, which will show you a little bit more. Like, look at the different wraps that they have. Here's some more of their jewelry. And again, all of that could be purchased individually on their website as well as these 2 different subscriptions. So that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. We have the wrap bracelets, and then you have your Godiva chocolate. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club and the manifestation box. Which one did you like better? Which one would you like to receive? What did you think of the different crystals that were put into the manifestation box? What do you think of the wrap bracelet? Definitely comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. If you want a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. Again, I have my code SheCrafty to save you 20% off your first box or any of their online store purchases, the items there. So this monthly subscription box is for everyone who wants to manifest living happy and was born of the desire to spread positivity and aid in conscious living. So you're ready to manifest your dreams? Select your plan. You could do month per month. It is $39. If you do a 3-month plan, it brings it down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring it down to $34. And a full 12-month plan will bring it down to $33 per box. If you want to do the Mother Earth Wrap Club, it's the same exact pricing. You get the wrap bracelet plus one small gift in there. That one is the same, $39 month per month. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months brings it down to $34. And the full 12-month plan brings it down to $33. And don't forget, you can purchase any of their items online individually at any time as well. They will all be linked down below with my code, so you can go and check them out if you would like. If you have any other questions, you want to see other codes, know more about me or my animals, you could always go visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com, and you can see everything in one little place there for you guys. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.